This is Irwin for Swirling Over Coffee, and this is an unboxing and quick look at the Vivo V3 Max. White box. Okay. And there it is. Spartan looking and clean. Before we take it out of the box, just a quick rundown of the specs. Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 octa-core processor, 4GB of RAM, 5.5-inch Full HD display, 32GB internal storage, expandable via microSD, 13-megapixel rear camera, no OIS, and no laser autofocus. 8-megapixel selfie camera, no front flash, dual SIM, that's probably the dual SIM tray right there, 3G LTE, fingerprint scanner, 3000 mAh battery, fast charging, Android 5.1. Okay, let's take it out. We're not sure if the capacitive keys are backlit, so we'll boot this up in a bit. Let's just go over the build right there. Metal, shiny gold looking. Rear mounted fingerprint scanner, the camera right there, headphone jack, SIM tray, speaker, micro USB charging port, power button not textured, volume rocker. Okay, what else is inside the box? SIM tray ejector tool. What's under? Okay, that's under. The fast charger, earphones, nice looking one too. Can't put it back the way it was. Charging cable, and there's a free USB OTG adapter cable right there. Very nice touch. Lots of Vivo branding. Usually you can buy one of these for about 30 pesos at CDR King, but they don't look as nice. I think I have one right here. It's very well used. It's dirty. This one is so nice to look at. Anyway, let's put that back. What's here? There's a free case and some pamphlets. The case looks very nice. Gel case, protective. Yeah. Okay, what else is here? Nothing else. Let's do a first boot. This sells for an SRP of $16,990. And there it is. Come on. Boot. Well, that's booting. Let's check out the SIM. Okay, not nano, micro. Takes 2 micro SIMs and either one SIM and one micro SD card. Okay, that's the setup right there. We're going to do a full review of this, so stay tuned. $16,990, full HD. I don't think this is backlit. We'll get back to you with a full review. This has been Irwin for swirlingovercoffee.com, and this has been an unboxing and quick look at the $16,990 Vivo V3 Max. Thanks for watching.